The 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe, a midsize SUV, has been evaluated in the updated Insurance Institute for Highway Safety tests, receiving mixed results that ultimately limited it to a lower-tier top safety pick award. A crucial aspect of the evaluation was the moderate overlap front test, where the Santa Fe demonstrated some weaknesses in passenger protection. Specifically, the SUV fell short in protecting the rear passenger. During the test, the second-row restraints allowed the dummy's head to get too close to the front seatback, increasing the risk of head and neck injuries. Additionally, the positioning of the lap belt shifted from the pelvis to the abdomen during the test, heightening the likelihood of abdominal injuries. Despite these concerns, the Santa Fe performed well in other critical areas of the IIHS safety evaluations. It received acceptable or good-rated headlights across all trims, and its standard front crash prevention systems earned good ratings for pedestrian crash avoidance. These factors contributed to its overall safety recognition, though its performance in the moderate overlap front test underscores areas for potential improvement.